welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tesa, or Tesa.ma on Instagram. You already know the deal, so go ahead. So today I have a really exciting video for you guys that I am so happy that I finally finished and managed to execute well. It's been a minute since I did arts and crafts. That's why I doubted myself a little bit, but don't ever doubt yourself, bitch. So today we have managed to get everything we need for our nail tech station for under $35. So make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. If you're a fellow nail tech, make sure to let me know down below in the comments. Enjoy the video. Okay guys, so this is just an overview of everything that I got. There's just some stuff like I just had to basically think about like what I could put to use, but yeah, this is basically the haul. So here you see everything. We're gonna start off with this wooden frame I got. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and hot glue some of these flowers onto the whole thing instead of painting it. This is actually surprisingly really fast, and I feel like it's low-key almost easier than painting, especially if you're not a great painter. So yeah, fairly easy. So what I suggest you guys do for the portrait part, which you guys aren't going to see me have it done on camera right here, but because I still need to do it, but what I suggest is you could go ahead and put just any of your logos, maybe a really good set that you're proud of, your name, maybe your plaque, anything like that. You can pretty much put in there. All you gotta do is just take that little piece of paper out and then swap it out with whatever you make. And if you need help making any graphics, just go ahead and check out my what's on my iPhone video, which is going to be up on that top of the screen. So the next item is actually going to be a candle holder that you can find in this section of Dollar Tree. I didn't record me getting it before cutting out the piece of foam, but just know that it looked like just bare with the glass. So what you want to do is you want to cut, not just press in, even though it's going to feel like you can do that. Don't do that. Don't press on glass. You're going to get hurt. So then go ahead and just hot glue on one of those flowers that you've been using that matches your color scheme. And yeah, you have a DIY nail bit holder. If you want to not have the foam showing through, just go ahead and get those little bead stickers that we bought from the dollar store. These are super cute. They're gold and they matched perfectly. Go ahead and wrap that around, and yeah, you could just easily hide the foam. Super cute. Next, we're taking that little cactus that we have, and we're gonna go get our brushes that we also got from the dollar store. This was not purchased at the dollar store because I already had some, but they did have this at the dollar store that I went to. So what I did was I just grabbed the white and the red, and if you don't know, that makes pink. So just use a little bit of red. You don't need that much at all. Mix, and then what you want to do, or like just a great tip, is make more than you think you need. Just because you will not be able to get the exact same color like if you do 2 batches. So just make sure you get as much as you need in that one go that you're mixing, and yeah, just go ahead and do that and paint the cactus. So another great tip is make sure you're going in the same direction, similar to coloring. That's just going to make everything look cleaner. Try not to cake on too much on the first layer. Just make sure it's all evenly coated. Now you're going to take the little brush that it comes with, and even though it's really thin, it doesn't really matter. What you want to do is, I had like a little trial at first and it didn't go very well, but the easiest and most realistic way to make the clouds is to just dab the
brush and like, yeah, just keep dabbing it, and it's just eventually gonna form just like the cloud shape on its own. I don't know how to explain it. And then what you do is you want to just feather out the ends and like the wisps underneath, so just blend underneath the clouds. And don't add more paint, because as the paint like kind of thins out and your brush becomes drier, that's what gives that little like wispy effect. It makes it look real. So now the last and final step is going to be just hot gluing some of those flowers again. I just took the orchids that I hadn't used and I placed that just because I wanted it to do a little bit of contrast with the pink. So don't do the same color as the actual figure that you painted, just so it is nice and stands out. So yeah, just go ahead and hot glue that out to the bottom, and there you have that. And there's also a visual of the nail bit holder one more time. Now we're gonna go ahead and set up the rest of the things that we got. So this is just that fluffy ribbon that we had, and that's the flamingo. Some lights that I got. These are so cute. These little name tag clippy things, super cute. It's good for labeling. And yeah, here you have that. We're just gonna go ahead and set this whole thing up. Again, this video was mainly about decorations. This is also something for you to put pricing and just any type of information. This was mainly for decor and just setting up your stationery for how you like. So I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Again, all the stuff was under $35 total. Obviously minus the desk and then none of the supplies, but the trays, the decorations, everything was under $35, as you guys saw in the beginning. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, thumbs up, and comment down below if you're a nail tech and what you want to see next. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
If you guys have any questions, concerns, anything, make sure to let me know below, and I'll see you guys next time.